Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our fifth question. What is that? Let's going to prove that the two tangents at the end points of diameter are parallel to each other. So the tangents drawn at the end points of diameter is parallel to each other. So what is the given conditions, what we have to prove and how we're going to prove, let's going to see. So let's going to draw one circle and tangents. So this is fifth question. Let's going to take, this is the diameter P and Q. So these are the AB tangent and PQ is diameter. So this is diameter and let's going to take, this is CD. So what are the given conditions here? So given conditions, let's going to write that is given conditions. So PQ is diameter. PQ is diameter. Center O, let's going to take diameter at center O of the circle. So this is the one condition. And what are the remaining things? So AB is a tangent. AB is a tangent at the point of contact, Q to the circle. So this is the point of AB is a tangent which is joined, which is passing through the point of contact Q to the circle. That is the one. Next one, CD is a tangent. CD is a tangent at the point of, what you can say, point of contact P. At the point of contact P. Then these are the given things. So center is O and diameter is PQ. Then what is the radius? So we can take radius is O. So diameter of the OQ. So what you can write, radius will be equal to OQ, that is PQ by 2. So half of the diameter, we can take anything. Now what we have to write it here as, so what we have to prove, that is required to prove RTP, required to prove AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. So we have to show AB line is parallel to CD. That means AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. So this is the required to prove. So how to prove here is proof. Let's going to write proof. So what is the proof here? So first one, they are given that what are the given conditions. As we know, tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. Tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. That means here it's making 90 degrees and here also it's making 90 degrees. So tangent always perpendicular. So tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. Always tangent perpendicular to the radius. That means it is also perpendicular to the diameter. It is also perpendicular to the diameter. Yes. So here, what does that mean here is, let's going to take AB is tangent perpendicular to the PQ. So perpendicular to the OQ and also perpendicular to the PQ. So here we are considered that radius, here we are considered diameter. So don't get confused. So OQ, and what you can write it here is similarly, CD is also tangent to the OP radius, that is also perpendicular to the PQ. So what you can write it here as, so here two lines are perpendicular to the one line. So similarly, so what you can write, AP and CD are two lines, two tangents. You can write lines also, two tangents which are perpendicular to same radius or diameter, perpendicular to the same diameter, that is PQ, that is PQ. That means, therefore, if any two lines are perpendicular to the same line, we can say that is that two lines are parallel. Any two lines, therefore, any two lines perpendicular, any two lines perpendicular to the same lines means that two lines are parallel. That two lines are parallel. The two lines are parallel. Therefore, here AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Hence, proved. Hence, proved. So this is the way to prove the any given questions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe.